Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply dark mode on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Tinder app and make sure you're on the main screen. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can view your photos, bio, and access various settings for your account. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there which represents your settings menu. Tap on this gear icon to open up all of Tinder's configuration options. This is where you can customize everything from your preferences to your account details and appearance settings. Now within the settings menu, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Keep scrolling until you locate the section labeled Appearance. This is the section that controls how Tinder looks on your device, including theme options and display settings. Once you find it, tap on Appearance to access the display customization options. At this point, you'll see different appearance settings for the app. Look for the option that says Use System Settings and tap on it. This option allows Tinder to follow whatever display mode your phone is currently using, but we're going to manually override that to ensure dark mode is always active. Next, you'll want to select dark mode from the available options. By choosing this, you're telling Tinder to display everything in a darker color scheme, which is easier on your eyes, especially when using the app at night or in low light environments. Dark mode also helps conserve battery life on devices with OLED screens, making it a practical choice for daily use. And that's it, your Tinder app is now set to dark mode, giving you a sleeker, more comfortable viewing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.